Hi, my name is Sean. Today we are going to be showing you how to, I don't even know, shoot a bazooka, I guess. I'm joined today with my grandfather slash manager, and he's done this before, I have not, so of course he's gonna show us how to do this and hopefully not hurt us. Holy shit. Yeah, that's you weren't joking when you said that's pretty fucking scary. Yeah, no shit. Holy fuck.
How not to get them apart.
Is that how not to, or is that how to?
It's the only way you can, unless you got something to compress it.
That's interesting. Yeah, no wonder I haven't seen it in the 5 years I've been here, because you don't really want to do that on a regular basis.
Can you imagine doing that up in the machine?
No, fuck that. Yeah, I can see how you'd put a hole through something. Alright, well, so basically just unthread the rod and keep everything clear until it finally pops. And make sure that you 100% are clear and nothing is in the way, otherwise you will get hurt.
Not the preferred method.
Effective, though. Alrighty, well, this is the end of the video. You got any questions, please leave in the comments below, and if not, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.